Hi, Orange Girl here with a video for you that is an unboxing video of the January 2019 Clique Kits. Here we go. Hello, let's get started. This is the January Clique Kit, the main kit, and it is full of yumminess as usual. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what we have here this month. I'm going to put this aside for now, and let's focus on the papers. So this is from Whimsical. It's a specialty paper. It is cardstock, and you can see, I hope, that there are little things cut out of it. It's like an already made die cut. That's cute. And the picture, you can see, hopefully, it shows how it works, and you can put pattern paper underneath it, and some of it pops up. I don't know. That's interesting. I will love working with that. That will be something new for me. All right, so this is Paige Evans Whimsical Collection Paper 18. This side, and then this side, which has butterflies all over it. I like that every aspect of this is used. So like I could totally use that on a layout. Okay. This is also from the Whimsical collection. This is number 2. And I have this on the main side. And then the B side is very rainbow chevron. I love it. This is paper 20 from the Whimsical collection, a nice green color, and then on the back, polka dots. Lovely. Oops. This is number 5 from the Whimsical collection, and it has the hexagons with stripes on the other side. This is probably one of my favorite papers from the Whimsical collection. It has the frames on this side. This is paper number 7. And then beautiful colors, floral on the other side. I should have flipped these over before I started. Okay, so this is page 13 from the Paige Evans Whimsical collection. It has a lot of squares with little sayings in it. And then another green on this side. Let me show you this a little bit better. So it says things like always and forever, it's a good day, you do not find the happy life, you make it. Inhale the future, exhale the past. It's really not a lot of nice sayings on that one. Oh, this is nice. I could totally see fussy cutting these out and using them on a layout. This is Whimsical number 23, and it has this on the side, and then the other side is equally beautiful, I think. It has little pretty delicate flowers and polka dots in a pretty blue. And then the last paper, oops, I should start on this side. I really like because I see that orangish color in there. Orange, red, yellow on the blue background. This is number 9. And then a great stripe on the other side. So, as I usually do, I will show you those pattern papers. Not the specialty paper, but I'll show you the pattern papers kind of all together. These are the A sides. And then these are the B sides. All right. Oh, I am going to love working with this. It's full of color. So then, to go with it nicely, we have these are from Ellie's Studio. The labels that are, the colors match perfectly to this whole collection. And then these are, there we go. This is the ephemera pack. Also Pink Paisy Whimsical. I'll kind of do a little, I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'll give you a little quick flash here. So we've got butterflies. One of the things that's kind of cool about this collection is there's a lot of things related to, I'm going to say hobbies or things that you do in your life, like reading, painting, crafting. A lot of things like that are included in this ephemera pack and the collection, actually. And so there's things like pencils and pens, and I think there's brushes. Oh, yep, there we go. Brush, scissors, So one thing I never really do a layout of is, I could totally see a use for all these butterflies very easily. Anyway, one thing I never usually do a layout of, and I should because it's such a huge part of my life, is my crafting and my scrapbooking and those sorts of things. So I should probably actually write about that since it is such a big part of my life. So maybe I can use this collection to make that happen. I don't know. You'll see as I create my layouts and videos. Okay, so these are a little bit bigger cards. I'm just going to put them over the top. There's another butterfly. And then a few frames. So the frames here, these frames have another heart and some more clouds in them. So that is the ephemera pack and the LA Studio labels. So then let's see, let's stick with, actually let's stop with embellishments for a minute and I'll show you what comes with the kit is this thickers. It's called KC and it's nice gold, big letters, shiny. It's a shiny gold, thick. I believe it's foam. It feels like foam. So those will be fun to use. And then we have some exclusives this month. And so this is probably part of my favorite is checking out the exclusives. Oh, before we get to that, there's this sticker pack too. This is the yellow door. These are medallion stickers. I think you can see those. My fancy pants. Awesome. And then exclusives, I think. Oh, good gravy. Now, I'm not really sure if these are Clique Kit exclusives or if these really are from a collection and I can't get in them. You'd think that it would be this sticker here. Aha, nope. Here we go. Good gravy. All right. So, oh, that says Spirit. Free. So, free spirit, I'm guessing. A heart and hello happiness. And then last but not least, there is this lovely Spiegelmom scraps confetti that goes with. Designed by Spiegelmom scraps exclusively for Clique Kits. And I will show you, it has all of those same colors. A lot of white, little white ones. These big blue, but you can see, I'm going to zoom in on those here for you. There's still a bunch left in the packet, but so you can see what those look like a little bit better. All right, so that's the main kit, and I am super excited to get started, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks a lot.